Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys 5 DIY bling room decor ideas. So if you are someone like me who is obsessed with everything shiny, then my dear, you're in the right place. For the first DIY, you will need a small or medium-sized mirror, a hot glue gun, a pair of tweezers, some random crystal stones or pearls to decorate. At first, I'm taking off the small plastic knot thing from the backside of the mirror just to make sure it's all plain and nothing's on it. And once they are all out, I'm taking 4 small-sized crystals and adding them in the corners one by one with a hot glue gun. And right after you add the crystals, make sure to hold it for at least a few seconds for the glue to dry, just to make sure they are all placed straight and not crooked. Because hot glue turns into plastic once it's dry, you can cut out the excess with a pair of scissors and turn the right side out. Next, to decorate, I'm using the pearl strips, applying a thin layer of glue and quickly placing the pearls before the glue dries out into plastic. Cutting off the excess and doing the same on the other sides. It doesn't have to be pearls in your case. You can decorate it with crystal stones or even just crystals, whatever you have or manage to find it in store. Just try to play around and decide what looks good. And once I'm done adding the pearls, I'm letting it dry for at least about 10 minutes. And our accessorized jewelry tray is ready. It's so easy to make and something super inexpensive, yet looks super bougie. Absolutely love how it came out. Let it go, make my body go. Make our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. For DIY number 2, you will need some craft glue, a perfume bottle that's empty or just one that you want to decorate, a pair of tweezers, small decorative crystal rhinestones, and a toothpick or a skewer stick. This one is really simple and easy. All I'm going to do is take the lead and decorate. And I'm just trying to play it cool now, but that's not what I want to do now. And I'm not trying to be with you now. Also, just a quick tip, it's better to apply the glue in dots with the help of a stick rather than applying it directly with the tweezers, as in case the tweezers get sticky, it's really hard to pick up the rhinestones. So better first apply it in dots with the skewers and then pick up the rhinestones with the tweezers and apply it in the lid. Doing the same at the top, starting from one side in a circle, adding the rhinestones until it's fully covered. Got a fascination with your presentation, making me feel like you're on my island, you're my permanent vacation. Touch, 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 touch. I could be a crash, 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 crash. And our super pretty perfume bottle is ready to go in the perfume tray. As I said, it's super simple and easy, but looks so expensive. It's interesting how you can turn simple things into something different in just a few steps. Cause I'm a stalker, I seen all of your posts, and I'm just trying to play it cool now, but that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not trying to be with you now, you now. For the next DIY, you will need some crystal rhinestone ribbons, craft glue, a brush, a pair of scissors, pen or pencil to mark, a tissue box, any empty cardboard paper box, a scale and X-Acto knife, and some crystal rhinestones to decorate. First, I'm taking the cardboard paper box lid and drawing a rectangle in the center just like a normal tissue box and cutting it out with an X-Acto knife and scissors.
Listen to the waves, let them wash away your pain.
Next, I'm placing the rhinestone lace, measuring how much I need on each side to fully cover the lid with the lace and cutting it out. In this case, it's better to get a plain white box, or even you can paint it if you wish, but I was just too lazy to do anything, so I just decided to decorate something that I already own. Next, after cutting out the lace pieces, I'm just adding it to the lid with some craft glue.
Listen to the waves, let them wash away your pain.
Doing the same for the sides of the lid as well as the box. First, I'm measuring how much I'll need and adding the lace pieces with the help of the glue.
Listen to the waves, let them wash away your pain.
And once I'm done adding the pieces, I clipped the box all around with cloth clips to dry for at least about an hour. Next, to cover the sides of the lid, I decided to add some medium-sized crystal rhinestones and adding it on the edges, both inside and out. And finally giving the tissue some life by shifting it from the normal usual box to the super extra one. And there we have our super extra blingy tissue box ready.
I think it's kind of funny. You could say you love me, turn around and play me. Yeah, I think it's kind of funny. You say things you don't mean, underestimate me. Yeah, I have always done right by you. Said you're never gonna lie, liar.
For DIY number 4, you will need a glass jar or a vase which is see-through, some flowers, rubber bands, pearls to decorate, also some crystals if you want, and some food colors which is optional. All I'm going to do is add the pearls in the jar, add some water, and then again add as many crystals as I can. You can add more pearls if you want, as the pearls underwater are more visible than the crystals, but I just added what I had. Next, taking the flowers and tying it with the rubber bands just to make sure they stay together in place and placing them in the jar. This one is that simple. And our crystal pearl flower vase is ready.
Baby, the nights that we spend just go easy. I'm sorry I asked you to stay under the stars in the sand. But baby, these conversations will break me. I'm sorry I wear you like crazy, giving you all that I am. I'm doing the best that I can.
The last DIY is something super easy and my favorite, for which you will need a brush, a craft glue or a hot glue gun, some random small baked crystals, pearls, a pair of tweezers, a skewer stick, and a plain spray bottle. Starting from small crystals to pearls, I'm gluing it to the bottle starting from the bottom. You don't have to be precise with the space or what you're going to add next. I'm just randomly adding all the crystals, pearls, whatever I have. Just make sure there's not much gaps in between. To make this application faster, you can brush a good amount of glue in one place and quickly add the crystals.
Where I want you tingled is in my seats, in your shirt that I got you half asleep, holding onto me, my bed.
And that's all for this DIY. Your personalized perfume bottle is ready. You can take it with you wherever you travel or just add it to your perfume tray for decoration. I really hope you guys enjoyed all the Bling DIY projects. Do not forget to comment below which one was your favorite and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!